Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hey loves, so today, if you guessed it, you already knew, you're probably waiting for it, that I was going to do a full review and tutorial on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I absolutely love her palettes. They are so stunning. My holy grail of holy grail palettes was the Modern Renaissance palette. I used to mention that a lot in my videos and my favorite videos and that. And eventually I said, you know what, we gotta really stop using that palette and kind of switch it up, use different palettes. But anyhow, I love her formula. When I seen this palette, I knew I had to get it. I actually purchased it on the day that it launched into my local Sephora. I did a whole vlog and all that stuff. I will leave the link right there for you guys to check it out. But the packaging of this palette is beautiful. So gorgeous. I just love the shades in this palette. I think they are so different from what she does. I really love Anastasia's formula. I love the brush that comes in this palette. I always say that about her palettes. I absolutely love the brush. And just to let you guys know that it did come with this little tiny slip inside the box, and it says that Bahamas, Palm, and Cans, not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Wow. Let's just say Nicole kind of didn't read that at first, and I used a shade around my eye area, but that's okay because I'm not having no irritation. My eyes are perfectly fine. There's no itchiness or burning, no, nothing. It is just perfect, but keep that in mind. And also this palette is limited edition. We did Jessica Rabbit by Untitled London, which is a limited edition. Now this one's limited edition. So anyways, I will pop that video up as well for you guys to check out that palette. And let's just jump right into how I created this look. And at the end of the video, I will give you my thoughts on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. The Riviera palette is an essential springtime color collection featuring classic neutrals and seasonal tones that are perfect for creating your ultimate vacation look. The fully pigmented powder formula delivers high color payoff. These 14 new Paradise-inspired matte and metallics range from vibrant jewel tones to bright colors for shimmering, glam, smoky eyes, and a pop of color. The palette includes a dual-ended brush and a large mirror for travel-friendly packaging. There's a total of 14 shades at 0.025 ounces, which is 0.73 grams. This palette is free of parabens and is also cruelty-free and gluten-free. So first I went in with my YSL All Hours Concealer and I put that right on over my lid. Then to go in and set my concealer, I went in with the shade State and I took my Morphe E40 brush and I just buffed that right on over my lid. Then the next shade I went in with is called Palm, and I took my MAC 222 brush and I just applied that in my crease. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of just going in first in a swiping motion, and then I'm just going to go in circular motion. I did have to go back in 2 times with that shade just to build it up, to make it a bit more of a pigmenty chocolate brown, just to build it up. But so far I have to say that the mattes are blending really beautiful. Now the next shade that I'm going to go in with is called Cans, and I am taking the Anastasia brush that came with this palette. I absolutely love the Anastasia brushes, and I took the shadow end and I just dipped it in and I just went right on and applied that right on over my lid, and then I had to go back in again with a packing motion. Then I took the opposite end and I just blended Cans and Palm together. Next shade is called Inheritance, and I took my Morphe M560 brush and I just applied that right into the inner corner of my eye. Then the next shade I went in with is called Mediterranean, and I took my finger and I just applied it to the outer portion of my eye, and I just packed it on with my finger, and then I just blend it right into the shade Cans. And for my lower lash line, I wanted to change it up a bit. I did go in with the shade Bahamas, and I took my Morphe M560 brush and I just applied that right into my lower lash line. Then I took the shade Inheritance and I worked it into the shade Bahamas. To finish off the look, I went in with Kiss Lashes in Gala, and then for my lower lashes, I went in with the Covergirl Expeditionist mascara. For my top waterline, I did go in with the Milk Makeup Boss liner, and then for my lower waterline, I did go in with the Colourpop liner in Piggy Bank. For my lips, I went in with the lip liner by Rimmel London in Eastend Snob. Then I went in with the Colourpop Cinderella lipstick, and then to top that all off, I did go in with the Mc Grath Lust glosses in Payoff Nectar. So what are my final thoughts on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette? I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so much fun. I just love the tones in this palette, love the matte shades. If you guys have been with me right from the beginning, you know that I have a mad obsession with matte eyeshadows, and these perform beautiful. They don't become muddy, they blend gorgeous, they're very soft, very beautiful, and with the metallics and the shimmers are absolutely stunning as well. All in all, I think that she knocked it out of the park with this palette because it's such a fun palette. You could create something gorgeous and neutral, but then you could go into a fun look, and you could also create a gorgeous evening smoky eye look. So it's very versatile. I think this is going to look beautiful on everyone's skin tone, and this palette does have a shelf life of 18 months. All in all, beautiful palette. It's sad that it is limited edition. Hopefully she changes her mind on it and makes it permanent because it is a beautiful palette. Let me know down in the comments down below, are you guys going to be picking up this palette? Are you excited to test it out because of those fun colors? Are you ready for spring? Because I sure am. And if you guys go ahead and recreate this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram and NicoleChantel32. I'd love to see the look that you guys create. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.